if you are looking forward to make your career in international business, then this video is very important for you. I am Professor Dr. Padma Priya. I welcome you at Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning, and I am excited to introduce you to our postgraduate diploma in international business. In today's rapidly globalizing world, mastering the art of international business can unlock new heights in your career. It will help you to develop a broad global business perspectives, allowing you to broaden your horizon to run a business across multiple cultures and countries. Our PGDIP program is designed to equip you with the knowledge, skills and strategic mindset necessary to thrive in the international business arena. This program is designed to provide comprehensive understanding of the key areas of international business. You will explore critical topics such as international economics, international trade logistics, foreign exchange management, and international marketing. With a curriculum that integrates both theory and practical applications, you will develop a strategic mindset necessary to navigate complex international business environments. This program is perfect for working professionals, offering the flexibility to learn at your own pace even through online and distance mode. Our expert faculty members who bring real-world experience into the classroom. They ensure that you are always remain up to date with the latest trends and practices in international business. After completing this program, you will be prepared to take on the leadership roles in multinational corporations, manage global operations, and drive international business strategies. Whether you are looking to expand your career or start your own global venture, this PGDIP program will open doors to endless opportunities. So, join us at Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning and take the next step in your global career. Empower your future with the Postgraduate Diploma in International Business. For more details, please visit our website www.scdl.net. Thank you very much. Happy learning.